Network marketing versus digital marketing. I simply got started in network marketing, learning the art or the skill set of prospecting, your approach technique, presenting, handling objections, closing the sale, asking referrals. Those are all skill sets needed to master or to become great at network marketing, building a team, duplicating yourself, teaching your team what works, not what you are doing, but what works so that your team can grow and build. And with network marketing, you get about 20% commission, right? So starting a business is good. While you are learning the fundamental basics and skill set and the education behind how you can actually go about and start putting things into practicality. So start somewhere. I had to start in network marketing. I am no longer a part of network marketing. Thereafter, I dived into digital marketing, which I love. The model of you putting yourself out in the marketplace in the hopes of a potential prospect reaches out to you. That is lead generation. Through organic, live, paid ads, you are able to generate an endless flow of lead generation and you get 100% profits. What I love about digital marketing is you can have your own physical products, you can have digital products, courses, programs, memberships, books. You can drive traffic into all kinds of links and offers whereby you are generating multiple streams of income, you are building multiple businesses online. That is digital marketing. Learning the art of branding, sales, attraction marketing will separate you from the masses of people that are building a business online. Utilizing social media can be your advantage when it comes to digital marketing. So my advice to you is start multiple businesses, start any business. Why? So that you gain experience when you pivot into the next business. So you are operating from a standpoint of being experienced.